welcome back. It's Vivera here again on episode 2 of DIY Hair. So basically today is messed up because I don't know exactly what I'm doing. The difference between you and I is the fact that you've already seen the results. Meanwhile, I'm just here trying to see exactly what works. So this is the attachment. Got it from Darling. Super soft, super nice, a little more than expected. So getting right into it, I had to partition my hair and take out the parts that I will be leaving out, because for some reasons I don't know why I want a 360. Like, why do I want that with a center pattern? And it's my first time. Maybe I could do the 360 but without a center pattern, just a swing leave out, like however that is called, like no unique pattern or something like that. But this is me. I love to push myself. I've never done a sewing before, and today let's just do it together. So this is me now going in with the cornrows. Nothing is perfect, and even with the cornrows I was struggling with it. I don't know why. And I must say, this is not a tutorial. I'm just showing you exactly how I messed up my life, got frustrated just to get that result or those results. Okay, so here, struggling with the cornrows. Nothing just seemed to be easy. Like this whole 360 thing, I didn't even know how to do the cornrows. Like, I was really struggling here. I'm just thankful it came out nice. I mean, I had a vision in my head, and that is the only thing that kept me going. Now I even partitioned the hair into 2 parts. You ask me why? I honestly don't know, but I just want to get the cornrows there. I just want to get the cornrows done to start sewing in. Like, that's the part I'm looking forward to. Let's speed this up. In my mind, I am done with the cornrows. Somebody tell me why I was doing this combining. I left that one cornrow hanging at the back there with, like, I was using 2 mirrors, one by the side and another one behind me. How did I not see this one cornrow hanging around here? Like, this was insane. Anyways, I see when I discovered it, like after I had sewn the other cornrows, like, the tips, like, into the hair, I had to add it up as well. It was crazy. I didn't know if my mind was really into this. Oh my god. The results. The cornrow is mad. I know that it's gonna give a bun, like a big bump inside, but I don't know if you still trust in the process, but trust me. Okay, I might not have the full knowledge about everything, but trust me, it's not gonna turn out bad. Now it's more like the time I've been longing for. Time to sew in. Time to actually use this needle to enjoy my scalp, because I did that a lot of time, actually with my fingers too. But yeah, this is me. I started by taking this attachment like entirely rounded. Yeah, I have to use this one to like secure the leave out corners. Oh my god, whatever that is called, I don't know the terminologies. Okay, moving right into it. Here the sewing is going on. I'm really securing it like really nicely, and I had to cut this because it was falling on my face and I need to see exactly what I'm doing, because this is difficult. This girl's making it look so easy, but it's really not. So far, I think you can agree with me. This is not looking bad, yeah? Okay, let's speed it up again. And here I was done sewing it in. Good. That doesn't look visually appealing, but moving forward, the whole idea about this 360 was so I be able to gym freely. Like I tie my hair up without worrying about the back. So here I was rushing to go to the gym. I just had to do a little quick straightening so my fussy hair could blend well into the attachment. I really had to do this quick though. Generally I was thinking this was gonna take me about 2 hours to like do everything, but it took me 3 hours 30 minutes. Yeah, I took my time doing a whole lot of crap. But look at it though, mainly what took me a lot of time was blowing out my natural hair at the beginning before doing the cornrows or the sewing and all of that. And tell me why I completely left out a bigger space than how much my hair could cover, like the leave out hair could cover. Good thing I did the sewing extremely loose. It's my scalp, so I do not want to stress it. The sewing was like loose, which now gave me the chance to be able to connect the space I left out inside, just as I'm doing. And it didn't still hurt me. It did not hurt me after doing this still, because it was loose and just perfect. Oh my goodness, thank God this came out well, because I wouldn't forgive myself going through all of this and not able to even have the hair on for a couple of days or week or more. Well, here it's done. My hair is blending nicely into the attachment. But goodness, tell me why it's just now I'm realizing how much I do not have edges. Like I need to grow my hair, man. So help me out, guys. Leave out the perfect hair growth products in the comment section so I could rush for it. I need it. Anyways, I don't know if you trusted the process, but I hope you at least trusted me, because the outcome will always look good. And here I was just putting it together so I could tie it up and go to the gym. She's looking okay. Yeah, just needs a little touching. And look at that back. That's what I'm here for. That is exactly what I'm here for. The process might have been scary, but the outcome was exactly what I was expecting. At least not for my edges, because I thought I had better edges than this. This hair is so full. And talking about the gym, this is exactly what I wanted to achieve, looking like this at the gym. Anyways, here was the next day. Yep, I straightened the hair so this hair can actually resist heat. It's good. I don't know, I didn't like how it just shrinked like down, but give it up for the makeup, guys. Like, if you want to know how I did this beautiful makeup, do it to check out my TikTok and my Instagram, because you will find a tutorial there. Here is the final results, guys. What do you think? You can actually rock this hair in a few beautiful styles, as I did in this video. So yep, thank you for learning with me how to do a 360 sew-in with a middle pattern. And since this was my first, hopefully on the next one, which I definitely will be doing it again, it's gonna be better off. DIY doesn't always mean you know it fully, you know everything about it, but learning it and grabbing every single detail, doing the necessary adjustment along the line, is the perfect way to go about it with it. And that's just something I love doing, trying new things, challenging myself, and making sure that the next one is better than the past. With that said, what do you think you can rate this hair on 10? That said, leave your rating in the comment section and tell me if you will be trying this, of course in a better way, because you will learn from my mistakes. And yep, moving forward, see you guys on my next YouTube video coming up next weekend. Do not forget to subscribe, like, comment, share. That will mean a lot to me. Merry Christmas in advance.